Welcome to Modern Homes and Gardens, where we explore inspiring design ideas that transform everyday living into something extraordinary. Today, we're stepping inside the world of modern and luxurious open-concept floor plans, a design style that has completely redefined how homes feel, function, and flow. Open-concept living is all about space, light, and connection. Instead of separating rooms with walls, this design blends the living room, dining area, and kitchen into one seamless environment. The result is a home that feels larger, brighter, and more welcoming, perfect for both everyday living and entertaining guests. One of the most striking features of a luxury open-concept floor plan is the sense of openness and freedom. Large floor-to-ceiling windows allow natural light to flood the entire space, while high ceilings create an airy and elegant atmosphere. Every area connects visually, giving the home a sophisticated and cohesive design. In many modern homes, the kitchen becomes the centerpiece of the open layout. Large marble islands, sleek cabinetry, and designer lighting turn the kitchen into both a functional workspace and a stylish gathering spot. Whether you're cooking, hosting friends, or enjoying family time, the kitchen remains at the heart of the home. Another key element of luxury open-concept design is flow and balance. Carefully placed furniture, area rugs, and lighting fixtures help define different zones within the larger space. A cozy living lounge, an elegant dining setup, and a modern kitchen can all coexist beautifully while still maintaining their own identity. Materials and textures also play an important role. Marble floors, warm wood accents, statement lighting, and modern furniture add depth and character to the open space. These details elevate the design, turning a simple layout into a truly luxurious living environment. Many contemporary homes also blur the line between indoor and outdoor living. Large sliding glass doors open to patios, terraces, or pools, extending the open concept layout even further. This creates a seamless connection with nature and makes the home feel even more expansive. Ultimately, the beauty of an open-concept floor plan lies in its flexibility and modern lifestyle appeal. It encourages interaction, maximizes natural light, and creates a stunning visual flow throughout the home. We hope these modern luxury open-concept design ideas inspire you to imagine new possibilities for your own living space. For more beautiful home inspiration, modern interiors, and luxury design ideas, make sure to follow Modern Homes and Gardens and stay tuned for our next transformation.